Hi, hello guys. So another unboxing video for today. So I just got this right today, and I ordered this on Amazon. If you see Amazon, and this is a kind of sensor motion light. So if you tired of switching on and off your lights wherever you want to go inside your house, you can use this. It's not expensive, it's not cheap, but I think it's affordable. You can put wherever you want to put inside your house. You want to put inside your toilet or in front of the door when somebody comes out or somebody nearby there. It's automatically turning off the lights or turning on the lights. You can turn off and turn off, so it depends on the distance where you want to put this one. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what's in the box. So now we're gonna unbox this one and let's see what's in the box. Alright, so see, there are two steps inside the box. Let's see what's this. So I ordered lights because sometimes I forgot to turn off the lights, so I have to back inside, right? So let's open this one first, right? Oh, alright. As always, you know, when you open the box, you will see there is a kind of a card like this, and it's all written in Japanese, so I don't understand. Anyway, you can figure that out. Okay, so I ordered a bulb, two bulbs. All right, these are, I don't know what's the brand of this. I can't read. I can't read Japanese, but I will put on the description. Okay, I will find out. So this is the bulb. This is a sensory bulb. I think it cost in Japanese yen is 1,000 yen or maybe 10 bucks for two of this. And yeah, so I'm going to test this one, but I got two. Also have one more here. You see, guys, is it cute? You see the design? So let's do this. I'm gonna test this one and I'll show you how it can. And I'll show you. Okay, hold on for a second. I'm gonna test this. You see that? Just testing. I'm not sure where I want to put. So because I'm nearby the light, so it's not gonna turn off. So I'm going a little bit farther. See? And I step back, it turns off. So when I get a little bit closer, see? It turns on. So you can put this inside your toilet or wherever you want. So if you forgot to turn off your lights, so it's automatically turning off when you forgot to turn off the lights before you go to bed or when you go out, go to work. So it's automatically turning off. So okay, I'm gonna step back away a little bit. All right, see, it turns off. And if I come closer, yes, you can detect me that I am here. I am here. I'm here. See? And if I go far away from that, you see, it's gonna turn off. Let's wait for a second. Be patient. All right, see? So now you see the light bulb that this one that I put into my lamp. So yeah, it's cool. It's not really expensive, but you know, you can save money for your electrics if you use those kind of LED lights that automatically turn off and turn on. Now let's open this one. So this is another sensor lights motion. So let's see what type of this. I ordered two types. It's hard to open. inside the box. There you go. Oh, I didn't know that. They have 2 sets also, and of course, as you see, they have kind of a manual or something else, but still written in Japanese. It's okay, I can figure that out. They have the USB. This one, I don't know if you need to charge. Oh, I have 2 because I have 2 sets. And let's see what. Oh, they have this one because you have to mount this into your wall. So you just make sure that you are you know where you want it to mount it onto your wall. So let's see. Oh, there you go. See, it's white, so you can see this is another type of sensor motion lights, sensor lights. Okay, so where is it? This one you're gonna stick on here at the bottom, and then you just mount on the wall wherever you want. So let's see. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna think about where to mount this, maybe nearby the toilet. So when I go to toilet, I don't need to turn on and turn off the lights. It's automatically sense of my emotion. I'm going to the toilet. So I forgot. So you have this one, right? So you can also take this off here. This is the stand, because once you stick you mount this into your wall, you can just take this off and charge it. That's why I have 2, or if I use these 2, I just take it up and charge it. But I don't know how long it takes, how many months it takes, or how many days it takes before you need to charge this. But this is cool. See, even though you mount this one into your wall, you don't need to take this off just to charge this one. You can just stick this one, and you can also move wherever angle you want it to do your light sensor. All right, so yeah, that's cool. It's fun. It's cute. See. And then here at the side, there's, I don't know if you can see it because it's so whitey. There's a switch here where there is an on, there is an off, and there is an auto. So I just put this into auto, so it's automatically turning off and on the lights. So yeah, that's cool. Hey guys, so now here we are again. So I mount it over there, if you can see, because it's too dark, right? It's there, my washing room, and if I come closer, you'll see what's gonna happen. See? You see that? I just mount it there, and this is my washing room. So yeah, and then when I back off, see what's gonna happen. Let's wait for a second, and it's gonna turn off. See? Oh, I should I don't know how many seconds it is, but yeah, that's how it works. You don't need to turn on and off your lights wherever you are inside your house. And if you forgot, if you went to bed, you fall asleep, it's automatically turning off. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys, and see you next time. Bye.